Take a look at this new addition to our fleet of fire trucks. Last year we only had one fire truck that kept breaking down, and now we have a few. Firefighters are happy.
Good morning. Just wanted to show the people of Cross Lake our new addition to our fire department. It's something we use for small fires like grass, trees, and brush fires. I think we got this truck back in February, and it just took time to get it here. Plus, we wanted to design something unique with our Pimachikamak flag and all that happened to our community with the power outage and the forest fires. So we added Pimachikamak Strong on our front doors. With that, it will serve well in our community and surrounding area. Eko si mapitama.